and welcome to What's Cooking Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we're going to be making apple pie. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over our ingredients. For the first part, you will need 1/3 cup of apples. You can ask an adult to assist you with cutting them up. You can leave the peel on or you can take them off, but they just need to be in bite-sized pieces just like this. You will need a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. For the second part, you will need 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. So into our mug, we're going to add in our apples. And then the 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. And we're just gonna mix that all together, making sure that all of the apples are coated. Now we're gonna pop this into the microwave for 30 seconds. Once that's finished, ask an adult to assist you with removing the mug from the microwave because it may be hot. Now we're going to start by adding in our dry ingredients. So we're going to add in our flour, our baking powder, and our brown sugar. And we want to give those a mix with our fork. Now we're going to add in our wet ingredients. So we're going to add our milk and vanilla and our butter. And you just want to mix this together till it looks like a batter. Just like that. Now we're going to pop this back into the microwave for 1 minute or until the batter rises. Once it's finished cooking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing the mug because it may be hot. Look how yummy that looks. As always, my favorite part is the taste test. It's so good and light and fluffy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and would like to see more, join me every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cooking Mug Edition. My next video will premiere on Wednesday, November 18th, and we're making chicken pie in a mug. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye.